So, Dr. Moniz, can you talk to us about the importance in our organizations of mentoring across differences?
Sure. One of the most important jobs we have as mentors is to help elevate other people. And sometimes those people have had really different life experiences than we have. And so we're mentoring across differences, across age groups, across gender, across specialty. And so that presents some unique challenges and opportunities. I think the danger of scripts that we have been taught is that it can predispose us to biases, where we assume, for example, that men have to save women, or women are damsels in distress and are vulnerable and need to be saved and are not independently able to advance on their own. And so we have to be cautious about that. I think a second really important task for mentors when mentoring across differences is to think outside your own lived experiences. So remembering that in the workplace, men and women, or people who are white compared to people who are Black, may be perceived differently for the exact same behaviors in the workplace. And so recognizing that when you are giving advice to a mentee, you really have to think about how they may be perceived and not just give advice purely based only on your own lived experience in the workplace. And then the last thing that's really critical is to be an upstander, not a bystander. And what I mean by that is that there are many inequities baked into our culture and into our policies in organizations. And as a mentor, we have a responsibility to stand up and speak up loudly when something is not going right and when people are being systematically disadvantaged by our culture and our policies. So be an upstander, not a bystander.